Hey you all, it's Cindee, and she actually has her makeup and her hair done. How can that be? Well, I'm getting ready to go meet a bunch of my girlfriends and go have a birthday dinner. Not mine. I don't think I'm going to be celebrating them anymore. Anyway, so I thought I'd just come on here while I didn't look like my usual hot mess. Hello, and I want to thank Lance and Tiffany for starting me out. Mwah! And then I'm going to send you guys on to Donna. And so Friday with Friends, baby. And I hope you enjoy everybody. And I hope you enjoy what I'm going to do. Now, I'm not sure. It may have came inadvertently from Tiffany. But I'm going to try to do my Dutch dams in like a skirt part of a dress. And it's going to be Easter dresses. That's how I'm looking at it. But I thought I came up with this idea, and then Donna was like, well, I think Tiffany said something in the chat or something. I'm like, well, maybe I missed it, and maybe it just like hit in somewhere subliminally, like in my mind, stuck. So anyways, let's try some dresses. But before I do that, I wanted to show you the dry results from last week. Oh, my butterflies. Aren't they beautiful? Which way we want them? I don't know. I think I like it. I think I like it like that. Anyway, whoever buys it, it's up to them how they want to hang it, right? Anyways, so I'm going to get you down on this canvas, and I hope you like what you see. Mwah!
Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner, or at least I used to be. 'Cause now a wildfire is raging deep inside, and my heartstrings are pulling like the tide. And the match that drew a spark was a single stolen kiss. And if that ain't love, I don't know what is. I've kept my feelings grounded and gone without, all kept within. By these high walls I've been surrounded, walls to her eyes only paper thin. 'Cause now a wildfire is raging deep inside, and my heartstrings are pulling like the turning of the tide. And the match that drew the spark was a single stolen kiss. And if that ain't love, I don't know what is. That ain't love, I don't know what is.
A little different than all the rest, a quite old-fashioned dancing in slow motion, blurry eyes. But I've had enough, it's time to say goodbye. 3 a.m. as I'm walking home with a smile. Smoky moon, like a shiver, all the shadows fade away. All your streets are empty, lights begin to sway. 4 a.m. as I think, oh, Stockholm love. Sometimes I picture how life had been in Paris or New York or Shanghai. But you know what they say, east or west, our home is best. Warming rays, golden sunlight as the city wakes. Oh, my love for you will never fade away. 5 a.m. as I sing, oh, Stockholm love. Stockholm love.
Okay, y'all, so I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. I am just so loving the sparkle and the effects I got. It's just yummy. And I love the extreme sheen with that white. It just made the most beautiful green for my background. And I want to wish everyone a very, very happy spring and happy Easter. And I want to give extra love to my Friday friends, Tiffany, Lance, Donna, Bryan, and Nate. Love y'all and love all y'all. Cindee out. Bye-bye.